Shalom, shalom. How's everyone doing today? I'm back with another video. All praises to the Most High. And whoever allowed you to watch this video, please give him the biggest hug from me and tell him I said thank you. Alright, we're reading another book. The book is called My First Book of Birds. Duck, goose, parrot, peacock, owl, crow, sparrow, swan, pigeon, sparrow, pigeon, swan, penguin, woodpecker, kingfisher, ostrich, crane, robin, hummingbird, toucan, hornbill, eagle, vulture, My First Book of Birds, the first picture board book for your child to learn about birds. Its very research pictures will help your baby to identify different birds, build vocabulary, and improve observe their skills. So, project to do. Please go outside, enjoy the fresh air, and find some of these birds. See what you see. A couple of them I don't think you'll find. But find the ones you see. Take a picture of it, put it in the bottom of the comments. Show me what you see in your neighborhood, in your area. Please give whoever allowed you to listen to this video, to read this book with me. Tell them I said thank you from the bottom of my heart. Shalom and have a great day.